parents and kids. I'm Jala. Today is my 8th lesson. Today we are learning to use the words this, these and that, those in sentences. What is the meaning of the word this? This we use for something or someone closer to you. This we use for someone or something closer to you. When do we use the word that? The word that we use for someone or something away from you. Okay, we'll take a very simple example. This is a pen. Why do we say that? Because the pen is closer to me. This is a pen. So I'm going to put it on the board. This is a pen. Okay, this is a pen. Next, I'm going to get a book and I say, this is a book. Why do I say that? Because the book is with me. It's closer to me. So I put here, this is a book. Okay. Next, we'll go to the plural form. Okay. The plural form. Here I said this is a pen. This is a pen is singular because I'm talking about one pen, one. Here in the plural form, I say these are pens, two pens. I say these are pens. Okay, so I'm going to put here, this is a pen, these are pens. Okay. Let me show you. This is a pen because the pen is, there's one pen. Here, these are pens because there are two pens. One pen, this. Two pens, these. Okay. Same way. This is a book. Here I have two books with me. Two books. These are books. Okay. These are books. So I'm going to put here, these are books. Right. Next, we are going to the word that. That. When do we use the word that? We use the word that for someone or something away from you. Away from me, not closer to me, away from me. Okay, let's say the bus. The bus. Is the bus closer to me? Can I see the bus now? No. The bus is far away. I say, that is a bus. That is a bus. Okay? So I'm going to put here, that is a bus. Okay. That is a bus. Or if I say a ship, a ship. Is the ship closer to me? Can I see it now here? No. The ship is far away. So I say, that is a ship. The ship is far away. That is a ship. So I put here, that is a ship. The same way, if we take a car, this is a car. Can I say this is a car? No, the car is not with me. I can't see the car. But I see the cars on the road far away. So I can say that is a car. That is a car. You understood? Yes. Okay, next we'll go to the plural form. The plural form. Now here I'm talking about one bus. But if I want to talk about 2 or 3 buses, how do I say? Can I say that is buses? No, I cannot say that is buses. I use the word those. That, the plural form is those. I say those are buses. Those are buses. Those are buses. Lot of buses. The same way. That is a ship. I'm talking about a ship far away. But if I could see 2 or 3 ships, can I say that is ships? No, I cannot say. I have to say those are ships. Those are ships. Those are ships. The same way. That is a car. I see many cars going on the road. Can I say that is cars? No, I cannot say. I have to say those are cars. Those are cars. Those are cars. Okay, right. Now what you can do is, now here let's take a look at what I have taught you. Now this is about this and these. This we talk about one thing. These we talk about many things. Plural form. This is singular form. These are plural form. That is singular form. Those is plural form. So what you can do is, you can make your own table, your own list of singular and plural using the word this, these, that and those. Hope you have understood my lesson, and I hope you have enjoyed my lesson. And finally, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again. Bye.